Welcome. Today in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5.8 and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should just hold and press for a while to your screen, and here tap to the edit home screen icon. Here on the left down corner you will see the scroll effects icon. Tap there and now you can just see and select one from these animation. And for example I'll go in with this one or with the flip one, and now just to see the changes, go back, and here as can you see our home screen transition has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.